So students, connective tissue helps in proper support of the body and surround the organs of the body. It also fill the vacant spaces between the organs and connect muscles with bones and bones with bones. So we will start from the areolar tissue. Areolar tissue are the mixture or the mesh of different types of protein fibers such as collagen, elastin and the fibroblast. Fibroblasts are the cells which produce the fibers, and they are embedded in a jelly-like matrix, and it form a continuous layer under the skin and pack the spaces between various organs to keep them in place. So major function of the areolar tissue is to keep the organs in their proper place. Second one is the adipose tissue. Adipose tissues are made up of the adipocytes within the matrix of the collagen fibers. And the main function of adipose tissues are to store fat in the vacuoles. Vacuoles are the places in the cells where we can store food or the fat. So main function of adipose tissues are to store fat in the vacuoles. And adipose tissues are generally found under the skin, around the heart, kidneys and joints, and also present in the bone marrow. Bone marrow means inside the bone, and some part of the body also. So main purpose of or the main function of adipose tissue is to give cushion to the various parts of the body to protect them from injury and insulate the body against the cold. So main function of the fat in our body to insulate the body against the cold. Third one is the tendons. Tendons are the bands of white connective tissue which are made up of fibers and mainly of collagen fibers along with the little elastin. What are tendons? Tendons are the tissues made up of white fibrous connective tissue which are made up of collagen and the elastin. And these fibers are very strong as well as flexible, so they can withstand the strength of being stretched. And main function of the tendon is to attach bones to the muscles and the structures such as the eyeballs. So primary role of tendon is to help in the movement of by transmitting the force of contraction of the muscles or the structures such as the eyeballs. Fourth one is the ligament. Ligaments are also made up of the white fibrous connective tissue made up of collagen and the elastin, but as compared to the tendons, ligament have more elasticity or the flexibility. Tendons connects muscles to the bones, but ligament connect bone to the bone. So main function of the ligament is to connect the bone to the bone, and it help in the movement of the bones. And main function of ligament is also the swift support and stabilize the joints, and which prevent movement that may be damaging the bones. So example is also given in the case of ribs. When we are exhaling or inhaling, the ligament limited the movement of the ribs so gently that it in the gliding motion that help in the breathing process.